our current old mower has died and it's time for a new one. So we wanted to try something different and get an electric mower. So this is the Ego battery powered mower. You can look it up to get the details, the performance and stuff online. But basically, yeah, it's all right here in the box too. You can see that, read it for yourself. It comes with battery, charger, bagger. There we go. Got a battery right here. 56 volt battery. And charger right here. I wonder if the battery is already charged. And side discharge chute. Discharge at the side of the mower if you want. Bagger. Instruction manual. I like how they make it easy to grab. Excuse the messy garage. Make it really easy to grab with this heavy duty handle. You just pull this lever here to adjust, unlock the handle. You're gonna go to different heights. You can just set it for a little shorter person. I think it has 3 different heights. And then this telescopes out. And you lock it in place right here. And adjust the height right here. Just really easy. One lever, really easy to move and pull. Really flexible. Battery goes in here. Of course, whenever you're maintaining or going to look underneath of the mower, for whatever reason, you don't want the battery connected. Seems like a no-brainer, but it's easy to forget. So, there's the blade rather. Looks like it's ready to go. So, let's see if the battery already has juice in it. Let's say it'll run for, I think, 50 minutes on a charge. There it is. It's got some weight to it. At least 5 pounds. At least. Just lift up under the hood. Slide it on in. Hit the power. Can you see that? Let's see if it's charged. So it does have a little bit of charge. It'll light up all the way around for a full charge. So it has the amount of little segments showing how much charge it has remaining. So I'll probably power it up just to test it right now and then charge the battery so I can mow my backyard. Alright, so let's just give it a test. Start up. So the way you do it, it's really easy. You just pull this lever and actually it shows the battery level. and then push this button. It's like an on button. And once it's running and you're holding, they call this the bail switch, but once you're holding the bar, the blades will be turning, the mower's on. And let's say it's running now, just to stop it, just let go. It's easy, like a lot of mowers. So start, press the button, pull the bar, and you gotta hold the bar to keep it running and let it go to stop it. So press, pull the bar. Let's have an LED light. Right here is the button for the LED light. It's like headlights on the front of the mower. I turned it on now. I don't know if you can see that in the daylight. There it is on the front. Yep. Headlights work. Alright. Time to charge the battery, get mowing. Alright, so the battery's fully charged, 100%. Lift up the flap here and push it into it clicks. Close the lid and give it a shot. Push the power button, pull the handle. Cut's good. My grass was tall. This is actually our first cut for the backyard. And it looks great. As you can see, it's catching the grass. So, I'm excited, happy so far. We'll do more videos on this later.